fabulous friends, Princess Tessa here with another fabulous video. Welcome to my fabulous life. So today's fabulous adventure, we are going to be prepping for Disney World. Yay! I'm so super excited. We are finally going to Disney World tomorrow, so I thought I'd take you along with us to pack and get our hair done, my nails done, going to a fabulous royal table at Waffle House, and something fabulous for lunch. So come along with us on this fabulous day. Yes. Now on with the show. So we're here at Waffle House in Valley, Alabama. Our first royal table in quite a while. So we're so super excited. We've been so busy that we just haven't had a chance to really do much. So we're gonna have our first meal in quite a while. We're so excited. So I ordered my regular, the hash brown bowl, scrambled well with sausage and no cheese and some gravy on top. So it's been fabulous. Prince Jason got the same as me, and Queen Mom got her regular, which is a toasted biscuit, scrambled eggs, hash browns, and bacon. And she always gives me a little slice of her bacon so I can crumble it on top of my dish. It makes it a little extra fabulous. Oh, and of course I got my Diet Coke. Refreshing. Thank you. Alright, fabulous friends, our meal has arrived. Look how beautiful this looks. And of course I put my little pieces of bacon on it. Let's have us a little taste. Just a good bite here. Some eggs, some hash browns, some sausage, some gravy. Heaven in your mouth. Oh, my sparkle fabulous friends, that was a 10 out of 10 crowns. They did go up on their prices some more. I believe it was on the drinks. Usually the drinks are about $2.25, or was like I think $2, but they went up to like $2.50, and the meal itself stayed the same because they did go up a few months ago to at our location to $9.75 plus the 50 cents each for gravy. So, but it was delicious, and it's cold this morning. Oh my sparkle. Ooh. Well, Queen Mom, how did you like your meal?
Loved it. Delicious. Love my coffee and bread.
That's her favorite. How about you, Prince Jason?
10 out of 10 crowns. The coffee was excellent this morning, and the hash brown bowl was cooked to perfection.
Awesome. So now for this upcoming trip, I wanted to let you guys know we're going to be doing a new rating system. No, we're still going to do our regular 10 out of 10 crowns, but if it's something absolutely like excellent, I'm talking top notch, then we're going to be either, so for each of us, we're gonna have the top one be, like for me, for instance, will be the Princess Tessa Award. That means it was top notch, and it goes for Queen Mom and Prince Jason, their awards for their meals. But 10 out of 10 is still like, it's still good. But if we give it a Princess Tessa, then it was like super good. So the meal wasn't yet a Princess Tessa award but it was a 10 out of 10. So it was really good. All right, so now we're gonna head back to the castle. We are going to brush our teeth and all of that fun stuff, and then maybe do a little bit of packing and getting things kind of prepped, because we have our hair appointment at 10 o'clock with my fabulous fairy godmother, Miss Kim, at Salon on Avenue C in Westpoint, Georgia. So we'll do that, and then a little bit later on today I will also get my nails done. I'm so super excited. I have not had them done in, well, since we went on our last fabulous adventure in August. So it's been quite a while, fabulous friends. I'm in desperate need of a little sparkle to my nails. Ugh. My fairy godmother's at Salon on Avenue C, and she's getting ready to mix some magic for my hair and making it extra fabulous. Got my hair washed and got my eyebrows done. They are super fabulous. Way to go, fairy godmother. Well, fabulous friends, look, it is all fabulous again. And look at Queen Mom looking all beautiful, and look at Prince Jason looking all handsome as always. So now we are hungry, fabulous friends.
Yes.
So we're going to pick somewhere to go eat, and we will bring you there when we get there. Fabulous friends, so we have decided we're going to eat at Bull's Hibachi 3 here in downtown Westpoint, Georgia. So let's have us a little royal feast. I got my Diet Coke. Refreshing. So we're here at Bull's Hibachi 3 here in Westpoint, Georgia, and we placed our order. I'm going to be getting chicken nuggets, french fries, and a miso soup. Prince Jason is going to be getting a steak and rice, fried rice, and then Queen Mom is going to be getting the poke bowl with chicken and all kinds of goodies. So once it gets here, we will show it to you. My meal has arrived. Got my little chicken nuggies. So good. And then french fries.
Yum.
My Sparkle Fabulous friends, 10 out of 10 crowns. So next we are heading to the nail factory in Valley, Alabama, and go get my nails done. Sparkle Fabulous friends, I got my nails done. Look, I got a snowflake and some sparkles, pink and white, super fabulous. Oh, they feel so much better. My hair is looking absolutely fabulous. I hope all of you enjoyed coming along today's fabulous adventure. If you did, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, please give us a big giant thumbs up, because with every thumbs up adds a little extra sparkle to my tiara. I hope all of you dream big, live your story, and I will see you in the next fabulous adventure. Bye, y'all.